Hi everyone, welcome to Academic Reading Strategies 1, Week 3 class. This class is for a Thursday, third period class. So today we're going to talk about Unit 1, Reading 1. Before we begin, please look at this screen. While you're watching this video, whenever you see this screen, please stop the video and do the activities in your textbook or your online ebook. Okay, in considering books, whichever way you use, that's okay. You can use the paper textbook or you can use the ebook that we talked about in the first class. So whenever you see this sign, stop the video, pause, and do the activities in the textbook and come back and continue on the video. Okay, let's begin. Today we're going to talk about Unit 1, first reading. Why does something become popular? What is popular nowadays? So you can talk about that, but look at the questions. You don't have to write answers for these questions, and you don't have a classmate right now, so you don't have to discuss really, but think about your answers to these questions. Do you and your friends like the same things? For example, you like a smartphone and your friend also likes the same thing, or you like what a type of clothes and your friend also likes the same thing. We're on page 3. Do you wear the same clothes, or do you think, why do you think that is? Why do you and your friend have similar hobbies? Think about that. Similarly, number 2, look at the photo. The photo means, let me show you the photo. It should be this photo, okay? Look at this photo. Describe what are the people doing in this picture. You can see people doing something. What do you think they are doing? Okay. Probably you can see a lot of iPhone there. So probably they are at iPhone Apple product launching program. And probably they are journalists, maybe photographers and journalists. So you can think about that. And very important for this lesson is, what do you think makes a new product exciting? For example, whenever Apple is going to launch a new iPhone, all the people over the world are waiting in excitement, right? Do you wait in excitement? Maybe yes. But what do you think? What is the reason that makes a new product exciting? So if you want to, you can stop the video here and think about your answers and maybe note down your answers. Okay, when you finish, come back and let's continue on the video. Okay, next section we talk about is, we talk from the reading. Okay, reading 1 is unusual ideas to make a buzz. Do you know what does to make a buzz mean? To make a buzz means to produce any ideas so that a new product in the market becomes popular or draws people attraction to it. For example, everybody starts talking about that product. That's making a buzz. In this lesson, you're going to read an online article about how advertisers try to make things popular. Whenever they have new product, they want it to be popular. Use the reading to gather information and ideas for your unit assignment. So when you're reading, please remember some information and some ideas from the reading. That helps you do your assignment. Before we go to the reading, let's talk about some important vocabulary you will be discussing in this class. Here are some words from reading 1. We are on page 4. Read their definitions, then complete each sentence. Okay. You have words given there. Read the definition and fill in the blanks from number 1 to 7. And you will have to submit this through Google form from your assignment, which will be posted on week 3 materials on my doc. Okay, on my doc, go to your course folder, find week 3 materials, and then you can do the assignment later. So clear, that's easy, right? Easy to see, hear, or understand. Clear idea. You can see that the sky is so clear today. Connect. Connect means to join or link something to someone. You can connect with your friends by making a phone call, or you can connect with your friends by sending them an email. Contribute, to give or to be a part of something with other people. Contribute, what do you contribute as a student? Or what is your contribution in your family? What do you do in your family? Express is to say something, to show your ideas, express your feelings, express your interest, express your gratitude by saying thank you. Find out, that's a verb phrase, which means to get or discover information about something. Okay, how to find out information in the internet. Okay, spread is to affect a large group of people or large area. Spread means to become popular in big areas. Okay, trend is a general change or development. What's on trend? We say always what's on trend. Or in YouTube, you can say the video is trending. Okay, trending in number 1, or Twitter trend. Okay, so please work on this. Write your answers, and then when you finish, send me your answers through Google Forms. And when in the Google form also, when you finish, you can see the right answers. Okay, very good. We're almost there. Now, next thing is we begin the reading. Work with the reading. The reading is about read the article and gather information about why something becomes popular. But before you do the reading, please look at page 8. I want you to guide to page 8. Page 8 talks about some ideas on reading. Whenever you do the reading activity, there is a reading skill that you have to apply. Identifying the main idea of a paragraph. Okay, in academic readings, whenever there is a paragraph, generally the paragraph includes one main idea and other sentences will be supporting ideas. You can read the information there. A paragraph is a group of sentences about one topic. The main idea of a paragraph is the most important point about the topic. You can often find the main idea in the first or second sentence of a paragraph. So this is very important, okay? When you have shorter paragraphs, generally the main idea is in the first sentence or in the second sentence. This is the topic sentence. We call that a topic sentence, which is very important for you in your writing class as well. So remember to have a topic sentence in your writing too. The other sentences help explain or support the main idea. In other words, topic sentence is the head of the paragraph, and other sentences are like body and legs and that provide support. So always when you read, identify the main idea, okay? Because identifying the main idea of a paragraph will help you to understand and remember what you read, okay? So let's look at some exercise on main idea, and then we go to the main reading. Here, read the paragraphs, then circle the main idea. I'm going to read only number 1 for you. You can do number 2 by yourself. Experts often influence our actions and purchases. For example, a doctor on a TV health show may recommend a medication. Medication is a medicine or a type of how to take care of disease. Because the doctor is an expert in healthcare, we expect her to be very knowledgeable about what medicines are best. We are more likely to follow her advice. So here is a sample paragraph. In this sample paragraph, first thing we do is we look for the first sentence. Experts often influence our actions and purchases. So experts, it is talking about in more general. Then it is going to give you an example. For example, a doctor. So from this, now you can guess what is the main idea of this paragraph. Let's see, what's the main idea of this paragraph? That's the first sentence. Experts often influence our actions and purchases. Similarly, please stop the video here and read the second paragraph. After reading the second paragraph, underline the main idea and come back to play the video again. Okay, I hope you have done that. So, what did you find? The main idea for the second paragraph. Other consumers also influence our purchases. When a consumer uses a product, okay, which one? Let's see. Other consumers also influence our purchase. So that's the main idea of paragraph 2, okay? Please use this strategy when you do the reading on pages 5 and 6, okay? Now, time to read. Come back to page 5. You have unusual ideas to make a buzz. That's the main reading. Read the paragraphs given on page 5. Read the paragraphs on page 6. And then do the activities. Your activities, your homework will be from Google Form. Let me repeat. Your homework will be preview the reading vocabulary section, okay? And page 6 exercise B, identify. Page 6 exercise C, identify. And page 7 exercise D and E, explain, okay? Up to this point will be your assignment through Google Form, and we will talk about reading 2 next week. That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.